This is Rinku Giri, and I'm here to tell you about a special creature in this world that is called birds.
You must have seen many types of colorful and beautiful birds in your area where you live. Birds are the animals whose body is covered with feathers and are able to fly in the sky. They all are different from each other, unique in themselves, different body structures. Today we'll come to know about the parts of a bird. You see, this is the picture which is in front of you showing different parts of a bird. Beak. Beak is used to eat the food. Eyes help us to see. Wings, which is very much helpful for flying. Tail is helpful for changing the direction. And this is the feather, which keeps its body warm. And claws. Claws are very much helpful for hopping and moving from one place to another place. These all are the body parts. Beak, eyes, wings, tail, claws and feathers. Stepping stones. Here are some beautiful birds of different colors. Find the names of the birds given below in the word grid. These are the grids and we have to find the name of the birds. The first bird we found in the first line, Crane, crane. OWL, owl. PEACOCK, peacock. CROW, crow. EAGLE, eagle. PARROT, parrot. Owl, crow, peacock, parrot, eagle and crane. These all are birds, but they look different, their colors are different and the way they live on this earth are different. Next page, body parts of a bird. We have already seen this figure. Body parts like eyes, beak, head, wings, tail and leg or claws. These all body parts are very much important for the birds. Birds are the feathered living beings. They have feathers. Other than bird, no other animals are having feathers. They have the pair of wings and tail. This pair of wings is very much important for flying, and this tail is helpful for changing the direction. If they want to go right, the tail moves towards left. If they want to go left, tail moves towards right. The muscles are very much strong, which is attaching these wings to the body. This is called flight muscles. They are very strong. The body of the birds are designed in a way which looks like a boat. And the bird's body is having the pointed beak and head. And this is very much helpful to cut through the air. This is called streamlined body. Streamlined body. You have to learn the spellings. Spelling streamlined. Their body is light because they have the hollow bones. Hollow means it is empty from inside. Bones are empty from inside. And the skeleton are very strong. And this light body is only helpful for the bird to fly in the sky. If their body is not light, they are not able to fly. As their body is light, they are able to fly in the sky. So this is all about the bird. You have to draw this picture in your notebook. And some of the words I am giving, you have to copy it down in your notebook. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hard words are flight, muscles, feather, streamlined, direction, downstroke, hollow, flightless, flapping, beaks, curved, hooked, chisel, perching, birds, webbed, wading, climbing, scratching, stitched, swimming.